Cover your windows. Lock your doors. Turn off all electrical devices after this broadcast is completed. Do not make a sound. Cover your kids. Listen carefully. An entity called Letter A from the famous show The ABC Show, broadcasted on BCD Kids, has somehow leaked to our reality. He is hostile, he shows no remorse. Stay at home, stay in a hidden area. All civilians must stay hidden until the situation is complete. We will play a sound that will alert you when you're able to stop being hidden. Stay safe all civilians.